Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 9, that is reproduction. In this class, we are going to discuss about the steps of sexual reproduction, that is already explained in the first two steps, that is production of gametes and fertilization. Now, in this class, we will discuss about development of an embryo, that is the third step of sexual reproduction. Development of embryo. Okay, first of all you have to know what is embryo and how the embryo is formed. You know, during sexual reproduction the male gamete is known as sperm, the female gamete is known as egg or ovum. Suppose there is the sperm or male gamete and this is the egg or ovum. So how embryo is formed and what is an embryo? So the male gamete is known as sperm, the female gamete is known as egg. It is already explained during fertilization. And when these two male gametes fused, so a cellular structure is formed, single unicellular structure, that is known as the zygote. Okay, this is the unicellular structure. It is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes, that is known as zygote. In humans, the sperm carry how many chromosomes? 23 chromosomes. And ovum also carry 23 chromosomes and zygote is become 46 chromosomes. And after the formation of zygote, this zygote divides multiple times and form a multicellular structure, and this structure is known as an embryo. Okay, so what is, and this is an embryo. So what is an embryo? A multicellular structure which is formed by the division of the zygote is known as an embryo. And when in the embryo the various organs also develop. Now this stage is known as the fetus. When the embryo further develops and the various body parts, or you can say various organs develop, now this stage of embryo that contains the various organs, that is known as fetus. Okay, and the development of embryo varies from various individuals. Okay, and in case of humans it is about 9 months or 280 days, and the process by which the embryo is attached to the wall of the female, you can say mothers, is known as implantation. This process is known as implantation, by which the embryo attached to the wall of the mother's uterus. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the female reproductive system, then you know what is uterus. So how embryo is formed? Embryo is formed by the division of the zygote. Zygote is the cell that is formed by fusion of male and female gametes after the process of fertilization. And when the embryo further develop, the various body organs develops also. Now on this stage, this is known as fetus. So what is the difference between embryo and fetus? Embryo is the multicellular structure that is formed by division of the zygote, and further when the embryo develops various body organs also inside, that is structure known as fetus. And after the further development, the fetus is removed from the mother's body. This is known as parturition or childbirth. Okay, so what is parturition? The process by which the young one parturition, also known as childbirth. Okay, so and the process by which the embryo attached to the wall of uterus of the female is known as implantation. Okay, so this is all about development of an embryo. So during the development of embryo, first of all, the male and female gametes fuse to each other and they give rise a single cell known as zygote. And this zygote further divides many times and form a multicellular structure that is known as an embryo. Okay, and in this embryo further development takes place that leads to the development of body parts, or you can say body organs. Now this stage of the embryo is known as fetus, and this fetus at last removed from the mother's body when the gestation period is over. This is known as the parturition, and that structure is known as the fetus. So this is all about the development of an embryo. In the next class we will discuss about the male and female reproductive system. Thank you.